Hi everyone, I'm Jake from Optery, and here's how to opt out of Nuwber step by step. Just go to the Nuwber website and select the type of search you prefer. You can search via person, phone, or address tab. For person search, simply enter your full name, city, and state. For phone search, type in your phone number, and for address search, fill the text box with your complete address. Once done, click Search. From the search results, find your listing and click the View Details button. It is important that you must not click the button that says Get Full Report, since it is a profile referenced as a sponsored ad and will take you to a different website instead. On your profile page, copy the URL in the web address bar. You will need this for step number 5. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the web page and click the Remove My Info link. On their opt-out form, paste the URL that you copied from step number 3 and click the opt-out button. For this part, you have to make sure that the profile that you want removed from Nuwber website must match with your personal information. Enter your email address in the space provided, then click Remove. Just a quick reminder that whenever contacting a data broker, we highly recommend using a disposable email address and not using your own primary email address. Data brokers are known to add you to their marketing lists and databases whenever you contact them. Once the on-screen notification shows up, you will have to check your email inbox for an email from Nuwber. Check your email inbox, open the email message from Nuwber, and click the Confirm Request button to complete your opt-out request. A confirmation of your opt-out request will be displayed and your personal information will be removed from the Nuwber website instantly. Congratulations on opting out of Nuwber website. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.